How to make $100 a day with digital products in 2025 for beginners. You want to make $100 a day plus in 2025 with digital products, no inventory, no shipping, just easy, scalable income? We're going to find out how, so stick around. Hey, this is Colin. I help beginners who are struggling financially to start and grow an online business using digital marketing, selling digital products. So if you're sick of the 9-to-5 grind and you're looking for other ways to start generating income from home, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get to making $100 a day with selling digital products, creating and selling digital products online, even if you're just starting out and you're a beginner. So if you like this kind of content, if you like learning about digital marketing, digital products, creating and selling digital products online, make sure that you smash that like button, drop me a comment down below, and let me know where it is that you're watching from, where it is that you found my video, what country, what state, where are you at when you're watching this video? I'm interested to know where my viewers are from. And then if you're not yet subscribed, well, hey, you know what to do. Click subscribe for more content like this. I put videos out like this all the time for you to start learning about digital marketing and selling and creating digital products. Now let's get started with the content. Let's understand the power of digital products. Why digital products? Why are digital products key? Why are they so good? Why is that the best thing to start selling online if you want to start getting that $100 a day using digital products? Well, let's dig into this. The reason why digital products are so powerful is because once you create them once. Just one time creating them, unless you want to update them even more, right? But once you create a digital product, you created it once, you can then sell that product over and over and over and over again to as many times as you want, to as many people as you want, and you can sell these products 24/7, any time of day. Any time of day they can be sold, and they can be sold through automation. People can come to your website or to your store, wherever it is, and they can purchase these digital products from you without you having to actually be there to fulfill the order, stock inventory, and even ship the products out. It's all automated. It's a digital product that can be easily downloaded. And the profit margin is so huge. The profit margin, it's great because, like I said, it's just a digital product that you own, that you created, you bought, you're able to resell, you have the rights for that, or you created it and you put it up there for someone to sell or for someone to buy from you, from your store. Make sense? It's pretty powerful, right? Now here are some examples. Some examples of some digital products that you can think of that you can start creating so that you can sell these products. All right. Now, number one, the first one is eBooks. eBooks are very popular. They've been around for the longest time, right? eBooks. Well, what's an ebook? Well, it's an ebook. It is an electronic book. It is a PDF file, or however, whatever kind of file that you normally they are PDF files, right? But there used to be quite often these other ebook type of files that you could use, right? If you want to just have graphics and stuff like that. But typically you're going to use a PDF file. So how you create that is using a Word document. You write it all on Word and you convert it over to a PDF file, and that's your document. That's a book. All right. So you just write up a book all on a PDF file, and that's it. It's simple to do. You don't need a lot of fancy tools to do that either, do you? Right? You just create that ebook and then you can sell it. Okay. So ebooks are very popular. They're very easy to create. You create it once, that someone can come and download that PDF. All right. Now the next one is a course. An online course. Courses, they can be with just PDF files, okay, or usually, quite often, people will incorporate more into the course than just a PDF, right? They will put in more videos, okay, and downloadable worksheets and different things, all right? So you'll have a lot of videos. Videos can be great. Easy to create videos, okay? You could use your webcam, you could use your phone, you could start creating these videos, and then you load those, you put them online, you have a set of videos that are teaching somebody something, and that's an online course, all right? Very profitable, very good. The profit margin, again, huge. All these digital products, the profit margins are very, very huge and very good with these digital products. All right, makes sense? Okay. The next product that you can consider is something called a planner. Well, what's a planner? Well, a day planner, an ADHD planner, a social media planner, a meal planner, a workout planner. You see what I mean? Planner. There's all kinds of planners that you can be creating that people want to buy, right? They're looking for planners. They're looking for a way to plan out their day, plan out their week, plan out their wedding, plan out their meals, all sorts of stuff. So you can create these planners. What do you create them with? Again, a PDF file, right? You can create them on PDFs, all sorts of ways that you can do this, right? So you create planners. That's just another example of a digital product that you can create. All right, makes sense? All right, the next step in this whole process, the next thing that you're going to want to do is, now that you've got an idea or what you create your products, right? Once you have some products created, eBooks or a course or some planners and stuff like that, you're going to want to now sell them. You're going to want to now host them. You're going to put them somewhere so that they can be bought from you, right? 24/7. So where are you going to do that? Well, you're going to upload them to what's called a store, right? You're going to have your own storefront. Now you can create your own store on your own website, right? Or you can go to a ready-made store, a store that's already there, and they've even got a whole bunch of customers that are sitting there waiting and looking for great products that you can sell to them. Stores such as Etsy, Gumroad, right? These type of stores, they're already there. They've got a database. They've got a huge subscriber base already with customers that are already currently buying stuff on their platform. Now you put up products that interest them and they'll come and buy them from you, right? That's why those are there. We started off a long time ago, I remember, with like eBay, right? Well, eBay, Amazon, right? You've got Etsy and Gumroad. You've got these type of places with customers already waiting for good products to buy. You just need to get the product and put it in front of them. All right, the next step is pricing your products. Now that you're listing them on the store, well, at the same time, while you're listing them there, you're going to need to list a price, right? So you're going to list a price for your products, okay? And a good pricing range would be, like, for example, let's take eBooks, okay? You can price them anywhere from $7 all the way up to like $100, right? But it could be, say, $10 to $50, anywhere within that range. Now, you might be asking, well, how do I do that? Is it by pages? Maybe, okay, so if I've got a 12-page book, maybe that'll be $10, right? And then if I've got a 30-page, okay, maybe 25. This one's up to like 200 pages. Oh, I'll sell this one for 50. No, okay, I just wanted to. That's not how you do it. That's not it, okay? I know people look and they go, well, how many modules or how many pages is the book? Because that's the price, right? I want a big, thick book if I'm going to pay $50, right? How about what the information is? That's it. That's key. It's what the information is. How valuable is that information? Because you could have a one-page report, a one-page book, and it's got most valuable information compared to a 50-page book that's full of fluff. You know what I'm saying, right? You've seen those books. You've read those books. You've got those books. You wasted a couple hours of your life going through a book that had a bunch of fluff in it, and it was like, man, I'm never going to get that time back, right? Whereas if you get a 1-page or a 5-page report and it's got some valuable information in there, you're like, wow, that's really good. I can take that information. I can go and apply that information, and that's going to return me back 10x, right? That's what I'm talking about. So it's all about the amount or the value of the information in the product. That's how you are going to determine the price of your product, okay? That's golden right there. That's golden. Write that down. It's the value that's inside your product that's going to determine what your price of the product is going to be. It's not necessarily the number of pages, all right? So that's that. And then you got planners. Again, it's like, well, what's the value? What are you really getting? What's the value that this planner is going to give to your life, right? Is it really going to add a lot of value to somebody? It's really going to save them a lot of time, okay? Then what is it? Anywhere between, quite often though, you're going to see planners between $5 and $25 for a planner, okay? And you can even bundle a whole bunch of them together to get, you know, a $25 bundle, or I mean, I've seen planners go, you know, different packages up to like $50 or stuff like that. So it all really depends on how much you're packaging in that product package. All right, the next step, now that you have some products listed on a store, you've got them priced out and everything like that, right? And just, you know, going back there, imagine, okay, we're talking about getting to $100 a day, right? Well, if you got, you know, you've got an ebook listed at, you know, even, you know, $50, well, that's 2 sales per day, and that's $50, right? Or you've got ebooks listed at $25, that's 4 sales a day, that's $100 a day, right? So that's pretty easy. Or, you know, that's a pretty good price range when you've got it listed like that. But now, how are you going to get the people there? How are you going to get some sales? You're going to have to do some marketing now, right? Marketing, well, what do you do for the marketing? How are you going to get the traffic there? How are you going to get the sales? How are you going to get people to come and buy? Well, like I said, if you're using, for example, Etsy, Gumroad, you're going to use Amazon, whatever it is, they have a database, they have customers, they have subscribers that are already there, right? Do you ever use Amazon, right? Have you ever been, I don't know if you've ever used Etsy. Do you ever use Etsy? I know I have. I've purchased stuff off of Etsy myself, right? What about Amazon? I use Amazon all the time, right? I'm always there. So if I see a product that I'm looking for, or that interests me, within my interests, chances are I'm going to buy it. I'm going to go to Amazon first before I go to a lot of other places. That's where I'm going to go to. So they have this database of people. You just got to get your product in front of them. And now, using stores such as Etsy or Gumroad and even Amazon, is you got to use SEO. You got to have it optimized for the search engines. Now, well, what search engine? Well, the search engine on the platform. Their search results. You need to use. It needs to be optimized so that it will come up in those results. So you need to work on that. That is something that you need to learn. But that's the process. That's what you need to be working on. That's what you're going to do. Makes sense, right? That's really the process, okay? It's not really hard. It's a pretty simple process. Sometimes it's the nuts and bolts. Sometimes it's the fine details of actually putting everything all together, right? Brainstorming your ideas, putting them down on paper, and applying it, implementing the whole process. Sometimes that can get a little bit overwhelming, or sometimes that can really, that could be the hardest part, is actually just implementing and taking action on everything, right? Now, I have a product down below in the description. I have a marketing bundle, okay? Now, I do have a product that's, on how you can start monetizing your skill set, but I've got the whole marketing bundle, and I've got a great deal on it right now. It's the marketing bundle, and inside this bundle, I have I've got the process all laid out on monetizing your skill set, because everybody's got skills, everybody's got knowledge, everybody has something that you need to get out there, because you're called to bring this information to the marketplace. People want to learn what you have to teach them, okay? If you have some skills within you, you can sell them. You can then share these skills with people, so you can start to monetize your skill set. All right. So I've got the whole process laid out in monetizing your skill set, and then along with that, I've got a social media planner that you could use to plan out your social media for your marketing and everything. Have your whole planner there, and then I've got the playbook for social media. All right, on how to implement and use social media. There's several different platforms. Using these platforms to start monetizing, creating and selling your digital products. All right. So you'll learn how to create, you'll learn how to acquire, you'll learn how to get these digital products, and learn how to start marketing them, and then you'll even be able to start using ChatGPT. Start using AI to even help implement this whole process, okay? Get ideas from, use AI. AI is not replacing your job. It's going to be somebody that's using AI that's going to replace your job. So you better get on that wagon there and just start implementing as well, and start learning how to use AI for your benefit. And I've got the playbook for AI, how to use and get all the prompts that you need for this whole process. And I packaged it all in a marketing bundle. The marketing bundle is down below, and you'll see this is the process that I'm talking about that I use, all right, for for creating and getting to that $100 a day with digital products in 2025. So don't put it off any longer. You want to get down there, grab it in the description, grab that marketing bundle, connect with me. All right, I'll be there to walk you through. I'll be there to help you along the way and mentor you when it comes to the social media, when it comes to creating and implementing this whole process with digital products. All right, so hey, if you found value in this content, like I said, I'd appreciate it if you smash that like button, drop me a comment down below, let me know where you're watching the video from, let me know if you're excited about implementing this process with digital marketing, selling digital products. If you're not yet subscribed, click subscribe for more videos on digital marketing, creating and selling digital products online, and creating that freedom. So I've got another video here as well for you. Just check it on out right over here somewhere. The next one in the series for you.